yesterday's read aloud, we left off here, so we're going to finish um, this book. There's a couple of more pages. This is Adventure Kingdom Part 2, and then we're going to move on to Part 3.
Wow! I never thought that would work.
See, this place is still pretty special.
How do we steer or land?
Good question.
I will not let fate turn its back on me. Give me that coin. She's throwing us off course. We're losing altitude.
Please don't fall in the water. Please don't fall in the water. Please don't.
Okay, think, Eddie. Don't let these kids down. Literally.
I think I see a way out. Lean left, quick.
Genius, kid.
Destiny comes for us. Oh!
Oof. Hope she has a warranty for water damage.
Coming in for a crash landing.
Solid ground, moving train, but still.
That was amazing, but terrifying. Definitely both.
Yeah, but after all that, we're no closer to finding Granddad.
That's not true. The evil robot said one helpful thing. The Grand Jerome is stuck in a hall of mirrors. That's more than we knew before.
Good memory, kid. And I know just where to go. The Iron King's old stomping grounds. Now we just kick back and enjoy the ride.
So we're going to pause there. And on the next slide, before we start chapter 3, before we start book 3, you are going to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen next?